everyone, it's your bujo friend Ryan here. I'm not only a student but also a bullet journal artist. Today I'm going to show you guys the stationery that I use in my bullet journal. We have three parts. First are Tempo H1510 soft color highlighters. Next are SAKURA micro pens and white gel pen. And the last are my watercolor brush pen and calligraphy brush pen. For the highlighter, I'm going to test the color so that you can see the real color that used on the bullet journal. And each pen has two heads, one is bold and one is fine. I use this gray pen a lot to add some shadow to the Chinese or English character. Another reason I buy those highlighters is that the colors are very clean. Compared to the watercolor, you don't have to take time to let them get dry. So it's really useful when I want to complete a spread in a very short time. I also use them to color my mood tracker. As you can see, the flowers are really realistic and beautiful. I just love it! I also finished the tangle spread with these highlighters. Next are my micro pen, and I have 4 of them, and each pen I use it in a different situation. I'm gonna use this stitch or Hana spread to do the demonstration, and now I'm using 05 micro pen. I usually use it to outline the calligraphy. The pen that I'm using right now is the most tiny micro pen. It's called the 005. When you are using it, please be gentle or it will be broken. I use it to outline eyes and claws or sometimes eyelashes. Now I'm using 08 micro pen to draw the stitch outline. I'm using it because I want to make my stitch to be outstanding from the background. And next is the white gel pen. I use it to draw eyes to make a highlight. And sometimes I draw stars on my bullet journal. And the watercolor brush, this brush is very different. You have to put some water in it. After that, squeeze some water on the watercolor. And you're good to go. The more water you use, the color will be more bright. The less water you use, on the other hand, the color will be more dark. Finally is my koi coloring brush pen. I use it to do my calligraphy. Calligraphy is all about the upstroke and the downstroke. Avoiding to make mistakes, I try to use this method. A lot of artists are using this as well to do the calligraphy. That is also a really useful way, but a tricky one. And that is all for today bullet journal stationery review. My name is Ryan and I'm a bullet journal artist and a student. Follow my Instagram account for more information. See you next time.